Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use QuickBooks Online, what is QuickBooks and how does it work. So let's start. First, let me tell you that we have three different QuickBooks. The first one is Online QuickBooks that we are focused on. The second one, Desktop QuickBooks, and the third one is Solopreneur QuickBooks. Okay. What is QuickBooks? Well, QuickBooks is a financial management software that helps small and medium-sized business manage their accounting. So these have different plans. It's not free, so you have to buy the plan for using it. But how you can use it? Well, if you use online QuickBooks, it's very easy. You can use online and you have to sign in. So for example, I'm here on the first page and just go to Get Started. Here on Get Started, just you have to register your email and website. When you register everything, let's skip this one. So you have to select send invoices or the QuickBooks to your business, how you will use it. So you can press next, and then you can see here customize an invoice, run powerful reports, try expense string. So try two different ways to do it. So I can select whatever you want. Just select I'm a robot and continue. Here you have to wait a little bit. And then when it's ready to use, well, just wait a little bit until this is done. Well, when you are done, just click here and try this. This is a demo. You can check here a demo what you can do it with QuickBooks. So as you can see the accountant. For example, you can personalize or customize this one. So you can do it by this and click on run report and this change. And well, you can check different ways to check the demo. You can check also balance sheet if you want, and here you can check all the balance that you can see all the works that you can do it on QuickBooks. So you can customize again. For example, if you want a cash, just run report, how it looks. Here in employees, for example, contact list, you can check all the employees. Well, if you have employees, you can check here how it looks and how you can contact, email, and if you want to more actions, well, this is what you can do in QuickBooks. As you can see, it's a completely system for your business. So if you like how it looks, the demo, and you say, well, it's what I need for my company, just go to skip to plans and pricing, and here you can check the price. So we have the simple start, essential, plus, and advanced. Okay, so for example, we have a free trial. It is a little bit high, but you can try free for 30 days. But if you don't try it, well, you can get a less price, a low price here, and choose a plan. But you can use it for 3 months with this price per month. So it depends what you need. So just choose the plan and add a pre-roll. This is optional. If you don't want to, just continue. Okay, and let's click on one more step and just write the code that give you on your phone. Just put here, or if you want to a call instead, you can do it. When you do it and confirm your phone number, you can start paying your plan by credit card, PayPal, or different methods of payment. So after you do all of this, you can start using QuickBooks for the 3 months in this case, that if you want this amount, you can use it. So that's the way to do it. If you want to try only the free trial, you can start using free trial without any problem. But well, if you want to pay, well, this is the option. So that is how it works QuickBooks. If you want to try it, well, that's the way to do it. So that is how it works QuickBooks. As you can see, it's not difficult. If you need a content management page, well, with this will help you a lot. And well, you can try to use it and all your team can use it as well. So guys, well, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.